And so when you guys check, okay, check. When you guys are on WordPress, if you guys ever use WordPress, there's a way if you're beginning and you're just starting out on WordPress trying to create a website, these tabs right here on the right. If you click on the right tab, that's going to be where you can actually put the code. So I can literally just take what I just got from ChatGPT and paste it in there. And then if I click back over to the visual tab, you'll see I now have that full form. It looks like it's even allowing people to upload their story. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. So, that took me not very long at all. If you guys have suggestions for videos you'd like to have done in the future, or anything that you guys would like to see, please feel free to comment. And yeah,